Experiencing the unexpected error occurred message on your simple mobile app can be frustrating. This typically happens during actions like logging in, paying bills, or checking data usage. The good news is it's often fixable with a few simple steps. First, understand that this error usually isn't a sign of a major problem. Instead, it points to temporary app glitches, like a corrupted cache or outdated software. The primary solutions involve clearing the app's cache, updating the app to the latest version, and then retrying the action that caused the error. Here's how to tackle the error. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Simple Mobile, Storage, Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the issue without deleting your personal data. On iOS, you can offload the app in Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Simple Mobile, Offload App. This achieves a similar result. Next, ensure your Simple Mobile app is up to date by visiting the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and checking for available updates. Finally, after clearing the cache and updating, retry the action that initially failed. In many cases, these steps will resolve the unexpected error occurred message. If problems persist, consider restarting your device or checking your internet connection.